The scale on the blueprint for a house is 2 inches for 5 feet. If the roof is 8.5 inches on the blueprint, what is the actual height of the house? Well, to find out what the actual height of the house is, we first need to pick a variable to represent that height. So, let's pick h. H will be equal to the actual height of the house. And we'll put this height in feet. Now, looking back at our problem, we were given a scale and then the height of the house on the blueprint. And we want to find the actual height of the house. Well, with that information, we can write a proportion. So in step number 2, let's write a proportion from our problem to help us solve for h. First, let's look at the scale of the blueprint. The scale of the blueprint is 2 inches for 5 feet. So we have 2 inches on the blueprint is the same as 5 feet of actual house. Now we want to set that equal to another ratio. So let's look back at our problem. The roof is 8.5 inches on the blueprint. So that's the height of the house on the blueprint, 8.5 inches. Now what is the actual height of the house? H. That's our variable. So we have 8.5 inches is the height on the blueprint, and h is the height of the actual house. Now we've set up a proportion. In order to get our answer, all we need to do is solve for h. So in step number 3, we're going to use the means extremes property of proportions to solve for h. We'll take 2 times h and write that on the left-hand side of our equation. Then we take 5 times 8.5 and write that on the right-hand side. Now let's simplify this right-hand side. When we do, we get 2h equals 42.5. To solve for h, we need to divide by 2 on both the left and right-hand sides of our equation. We'll get h equals 21.25. And since h is in feet, we write feet. That means that the actual height of the house is 21.25 feet.